Imagine walking into a waxing appointment and feeling confident. Most people say, just a clean-up and hope for the best. But what if I told you that results begin before the wax? They start with how you communicate your vision. Today, we're transforming a routine service into a personalized wellness ritual. This is about your body, your preferences, and your confidence. First, let's eliminate vague phrases. Saying, clean up, fails to express your desires. Instead, use precise language. Describe shapes, lines, and textures. Think soft ovals or clean geometric edges. Focus on 3 pillars: symmetry, margin clarity, and texture goals. Symmetry means balancing shapes to highlight your natural lines. Margin clarity defines if you want soft or crisp edges. Texture goals allow you to choose smooth, soft, or natural finishes. Precision in communication prevents guesswork and enhances your experience. Next, let's talk about anatomical mapping. Every body has natural landmarks. Specialists reference areas like the inguinal crease to define borders. Specify where edges should fall and the directional flow of hair. Vertical or horizontal alignment impacts visual balance significantly. Ensuring clarity in communication fosters a final result that is symmetrical and harmonious. Aesthetic goals include surface finish and skin texture. Preferences for velvety, smooth, or polished finishes matter. Premium services may offer post-wax skin care like hydration serums and enzyme treatments. Don't forget about exfoliation timing. A few days after waxing is crucial for optimal skin smoothness. The pre-service consultation is vital. It's where your vision becomes actionable. Consider creating an intake script to outline your goals. Use visual references like photos to connect imagination with reality. During the service, provide gentle feedback for real-time adjustments. This technique ensures the final result matches your exact expectations. A Brazilian waxing ritual transcends clinical. It becomes an elevated experience of self-care. Develop a maintenance plan. Consistent hydration, scheduled exfoliation, and follow-ups. This preserves aesthetic lines for long-lasting results. It fosters comfort, confidence, and empowerment in your grooming routine. Precision results start with clear communication. When you define shape, finish, and alignment, the entire experience elevates. If you want more insights and wellness guides, subscribe for weekly content. Share your consultation tips in the comments.